Hatepu, peace and blessings to all from Divine Peace, Meditation, and Yoga. It's your sis, Mama Imani, and I am sticking to the ERT, even though I used to annex and carve out my own trail that looked familiar to me. So I have never been back here before, even though I am following the ERT signs painted on the sidewalk, on the asphalt. So let me show y'all what I'm talking about. These markings on the pavement tell the bikers and joggers which way to go. So since I have always made my own annex connections to the ERT through Lambert's Point, I have never come this way before. But these are the symbols painted on the asphalt. Sometimes the letters ERT are included. And now I'm back here in the hinterland at the end of Upper Brandon. Once you pass 49th Street and past the Brickyard, the street becomes Upper Brandon. So I'm back here in unwelcome territory, but I'm gonna make it welcome because they gonna get a load of me. But it's beautiful back here. Beautiful spot to lead a yoga class. Right back here by the water. And eventually we'll be into territory that is more familiar. But there's a water source back here. Ah, shucks, I disturbed them. So sorry. So sorry. Did not mean to spook you. As it were. Pardon my terrible pun. See if I can get closer. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Anyway, just taking a short break, nowhere to sit down at Upper Brandon and Surrey Crescent. So we're gonna follow the asphalt around until we get to the end of the ERT, or I get scared and turn around. Make your Sashata Tahuti Tuesday safe, healthy, and content. Remember that we are already blessed in abundance. We just need to recognize, appreciate, and act like it. Blessed be. Oh, please, thank you for watching the video to the end. Please give it a like. Please leave a mindful, encouraging, and kind comment. Blessed be.